Hello, good morning. How are you? How are you doing, learners? I wish that you are now starting revising your final exam. Okay, and do your best. So I promised you that I will at least do a revision for you. So I will start for the revision grade 11. I will start. Here we have solved the simultaneous equation y equal x squared and y equal to x plus 1. First of all, my learners, you will try to find the value of y. You will do as the following. You will make y equal y means I will let's say I will find the value of x first. Okay, I will make x squared minus 2x plus 1 equal plus 1 equal 0. This is plus 1, of course, so minus here plus 1 equal 0. Okay, you can see that this is equal to x minus 1 all to the power 2. So therefore I will just write x minus 1 and then I will close the parentheses equal 0 means that you have a double root. So therefore x equal 1. If x equal 1, my learners, the y is equal to 2 times 1 is 2 minus 1 is 1, or x 1 squared is 1. So we have a double root. So we will this one the correct answer. Clear? So here we have sub options: x equal 1, y equal 1, or x equal 1, y. This is the double root. You should, let's say, take this one. Clear? For the second question, find the possible value of k for which y equal negative kx plus 4 is tangent to the curve of y equal x squared plus 8. First of all, my learners, you already know that if you have an equation that is tangent to the curve, means that the let's say its discriminant is equal to 0. So I will just write minus kx, or plus because there is a minus, plus kx minus 4 equals 0. Clear? Then I will just write again, it will be, therefore we have x squared plus kx plus 4 equal 0. Okay, here I will use the discriminant delta equal. So the discriminant is, I will just use the symbol delta. Where is it? This one, I thought. We hope so that I can find this delta. Here is not. Okay, the next. No, okay. Go to the next one. Okay, no problem. I'll just write the value of the discriminant, which is equal b squared minus 4ac. B squared minus, this is b, then I will erase this one, b squared, now b squared minus 4ac minus 4 times ac should be equal to 0. So here you can see that a is 1, b is k, and c is 4. So therefore, I will make k squared like that, k squared minus 4 times k squared, good morning, k squared, fine, k squared minus 4 times 4 is 16 is equal to 0. Means what, learners? Means k is plus negative is equal to plus negative 4. So this is the correct answer. Okay, I will just select this one. Clear? Then for the next question we have consider y equal x squared and y equal minus x squared. Describe the transformation that will change the graph of y equal x squared into y equal negative x squared. Here we'll see which kind of transformation. This is the curve. Good morning. This is the curve of y equal x squared, and this is the image or the transformation that changed this curve to that one. Okay, you can see that if let's say f of minus x is f of x, so it will be a reflection through the line y-axis. But here we can see that f of minus x equal minus of x of f of x. Yes. So we continue, we told that. So we told f of minus x is equal to minus of x, so it's a reflection in the x-axis. Okay, we should, let's say, this is y equal negative x squared is a reflection in the y-axis. This is the correct answer. Clear? Okay. So the next, here we have question number, solve for x. The magnitude or the modulus of x plus 1 equal 3, or the absolute value x plus 1 equal 3. Just here you will write x plus 1 equal 1, or x plus 1 equal minus 3. Clear? Here I will just write x plus 1 equal 3, or x plus 1, good morning, is equal to negative 3. So the question here, try to find the value of x. So I will just write, I will try to transfer this one on the right hand side. So therefore x is equal to 3 minus 1 gives 2, or is equal to 2, I mean, or x equal negative 3 negative 1. So x equal negative 3 negative 1, which is equal to negative 4. Okay, so the correct answer is Mr. my best son is negative 2 and negative 4. Okay, this is the correct answer. Clear? Then for the second question, question number 5, if f of x equal x squared plus x minus 4 is divisible by x minus 1, which is a linear factor, such that f of x equal x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 2 minus 2. So the reminder, it's clear, just you will substitute in the function x equal 1, f of 1 equal 1 plus 1 minus 4. It will be 2 minus 4 gives minus 2. So this is, my learners, is the correct answer. Okay. For the question number 6, you find the remainder 1x cubed minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 10 is divisible by x minus 1. Here just is substitution. You will just write this one. Just substitute x equal 1 in your function. You will make like that. So it will be 1 cubed minus 6 multiplied by, I will make parentheses, 1 to the power 2 multiplied by 1, plus 11 multiplied by 1. Okay, I will make parentheses to tell that is multiplied by 1 minus 10. So look, 11, I will just write again, no problem. So this is equal 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 10. So 11 minus 10 is 1. Then 1, okay, minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. Plus 1 is minus 4. So this is, my learners, so equal to negative 4. So it should be equal to negative 4. Okay, the next equation. If the expression x cubed plus ax squared plus 2x plus 1 is divisible by x minus 2. Okay, and is 3 times, the remainder is 3 times as agreed as when the expression is divided by x minus 1. Means what? If this is f of x, my learners, if this is f of x equal, of course, I will just write like that. So I'm going to solve this one. I will make f of 2 is equal 3 times f of 1. Clear? Then I will continue solving. So f of 2 is what? Just I will write this one. I will use this. Okay, so f of 2, my learners, I will just substitute this is by 2. It will be 2 to the power 3 plus a times 2 to the power 2 plus 2 times 2. Okay, plus 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1. This one equal 2 to the power 3 is 8 plus 4a plus 4 plus 1. This is also equal what? Equal 3 times, I can simplify this, it will be 4a equal 4a plus 13. Should be equal to what? To 3 times f of 1. Okay, this one should be equal to 3 f of 1. Okay, so f of 1, it will be equal to 3 times between parentheses. Then I will substitute x equal 1 in my function. 1 cubed is 1 plus a plus 2. So it will be what? It will be a. I'll just make a plus 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1 is 4. So it will be like that. Then I will expand this. I will use the last one. This one I will copy and paste down. I will make. So now I'll just multiply 3 by a and by 4. I will get 3 by a, my learners, is what? Is 3 by a is equal to 3a plus 12 equal what? Equal 4a plus 13. So therefore okay, so I will erase this one. Now I will try to collect like terms. This 3a, I will write it here. I will make minus, and then plus 13, I will transfer that. It will be negative 13. Okay, it will be 12 negative 13. 12 negative 13, my learners, is minus 1, and 4a minus 3a is a. Therefore a is equal to, therefore or so a is equal to -1. Clear? This is how can you solve a question like that, and the correct answer is that. Okay, the next, for the next question, 8, if y equal x cubed minus 3x and the first derivative or the derived function is is equal to 3x squared minus 3, find the gradient of y, which is x cubed minus 3x when x equal 1. Just here substitute some learners. This is the first derivative, or to differentiate your original equation with respect to x, it will be 3 times x squared minus 3. I will substitute here x equal 1 in my first derived function, or in the first derived function, means 3 times 1 squared is 3, minus 3 is 0, so the correct answer is that. Then for question 9, the second derivative of the function y with respect to the second derivative of x, you are looking for finding it, given that the first derivative of the function is 4x squared plus 2ax plus 10. If you want to differentiate this function, the first derivative y dash, you will just multiply this 2 by 4, then you will reduce the power. It will be 2 minus 1, so it will be 8x plus 2 times a. 8x plus 2 times a. This is, my learners, is the second derivative of the function. For the second one, the tangent to the curve of y equal to x cubed minus 3x is the line through 1 minus 1 with the gradient 3 is y equal negative 3x minus 4. To find the normal, you have the, let's say, this is the gradient, okay, and this is x1 and this is y1, okay, means you are going to find the normal at this point. So here, my learners, I'll just write this one. I will make y, but I want to okay, copy. I want to insert some symbols. So just this one, I will write y1, yes, okay. This is, my learners, I will write here y minus y1 equal I'm recording for the revision. So we continue equal what? This is what I'm doing, my learners, is your revision for the final exam. Okay, so I will just write here y1 minus y1 is equal to negative 1 over m. No problem. Yeah. Negative 1 divided by m, all multiply by x minus x1, x minus x1. Okay. Then I should close this parenthesis. It's open. So then I will just here, I will substitute y1 equal minus 1. Then this is the equation of the normal. Okay. So we told that y1 is, this is y1, my learners. is minus 1 minus minus gives plus. This is plus. Is plus. Okay, plus 1 equal minus 1 over 3 because the gradient is 3 multiplied by x minus 1. I will just write here minus 1. Clear? Now it's better to multiply the term or the expression that is on the left hand side by 3. Okay, to multiply all of this by the reverse of 1 over 3. Okay, means this one should be equal to, so this is implies that 3 times y, 3 times y plus 1 is equal to negative 1 multiplied by x is negative x, negative 1 multiplied by negative 1 is positive 1. Clear? Then just let's say try to expand, it will be 3y plus 3, okay, plus x minus 1. Okay, this one is equal to, this is implies or gives, these gives, of course, equal 0. Okay, because I transferred all the terms in terms of x and the real numbers on the left hand side. So 3y plus x, I will make 3y plus x. Okay, then 3 minus 1 is plus 2 equals 0. Okay, but here in the option you have 3x plus 3y plus x minus equal minus 2, or y equal 3x minus 4, or 3x minus 3y minus x equal minus 2, or y equal x. So I prefer to change this plus 2 there. It will be, therefore it will be 3y plus x equal minus 2. This is the correct answer, my learners. Okay, so I'll just do this like that. Then for the second question, which of the following is not a measure of central tendency? You already know that all the measure of central tendency are the mean, the mode, and the mean mode, and the median. So here all of these, let's say average, are called a measure of central tendency. So the correct answer is none of them. For the second one, question number 12, given the marks of the student 85, 65, 55, 42, 69, 83, 92, and 77. Okay, this is the marks, this is the deviation from the mean. X means the marks minus the mean. Okay, the mean here is 71. If you want to calculate this one, okay, and divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you will divide by 8, you will get 71. So this mark minus the mean gives 14. The second mark minus the mean gives negative 6, and so on. Then you should square the number. Square of deviation of the mean. I will square all of this. Then I will make the total. It will be 1954. Okay. So find the standard deviation. You are going to use the square root of the sum of x squared divided by n. Means I'll just write like that. So this one is equal to, we told the square root of what? I will use this one, yes, square root of, then I will choose, let's say, a fraction. We told the sum of what? The sum of x squared, which in fact is equal to 1954. 1954 divided by how many? Let's count the number of values. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Divide by 8. okay, divided by 8, okay, divide by 8, then I will erase this one, which is equal, my learners, equal to 15.63. You can use a calculator, 15.63. So the correct answer is that. Clear? For the second question, find the number of distant roots of the given equation. This one you will use delta, which is b squared, okay, minus 4ac. B squared, we told, b squared minus 4 times ac. Okay, this one, my learners, should be, not should be, maybe it will be equal to 0, maybe it will be less than 0 and more than 0. So a here is, I can write here, this one we can write a is equal to, or you can rearrange this, it will be, I will rearrange this. I want to write the x terms with highest power first, equal, so I will make equal minus, then I will minus x squared minus 3x plus 4. Okay, now a is 1 as a conclusion, a is equal negative 1, b is equal negative 3, and c is equal to 4, just equal 4. Equal 4. Now just calculation, it will be negative 3, okay, copy, so this one equal b squared is between parentheses is negative 3 squared minus 4 multiplied by a, and a is negative 1 multiplied by 4, then this one, my learners, equal 9 minus 4 multiplied by minus 1 is 4, multiplied by 4 is 16, equal 25. So now you can see this is more than 0. The value of the discriminant is more than 0. So is more than 0. So means we have two distant roots. We have two distant roots. Clear? So this is how to state the number of the, good morning, how are you? To state the number of the roots in this quadratic equation. Now the question is, try to use the method of computing the square, okay, so that to find the axis of symmetry and the vertex. This one, my learners, I will just write it again. I will rearrange it, okay, like that. So I will start this one equal minus x squared, minus x squared minus 3x plus 4. Then I will put minus x squared minus 3x in one parenthesis equal, but I should put the negative sign outside. Then I will make x squared, okay, x squared, this one x squared, okay, minus plus what? Plus 3x. Then I should close this parenthesis, plus 4. Then I will use the method of computing the square. Okay. This one gives, I'll make enter. So it will be minus between parentheses. Also I should open another parenthesis and make x minus 3 over 2. 3 divided by 2. Then I should close this parenthesis. To the power what? To the power 2 minus what? Minus between parentheses, okay, I will use I should square number, okay, minus 9 divided by 4, Okay, I will explain how from where we got it. Because 3 squared is 9, 2 squared is 4 plus 4. Then this one Mollern's is equal to, yes, okay, I love you so much, thank you. Okay, so this one is equal to, I thought I make a copy. So this is, all of this is y equal. Okay, all of this is y equal. Then here Mollern's, you can see that, I'll just write it here. So now I'm going to expand -1 multiplied by this, then -1 multiplied by that. Okay, means I will insert this one to show for you something. Shapes, I can do it. Okay, no problem. Now I can do it. Insert shapes. Where? This one. Okay, means this -1 I multiply by this, by the first bracket. Then, okay, copy, and then the next one, this -1 also I should multiply by minus. Okay, you can see minus by minus is positive, so I will write it here. So I will now erase this, the first bracket. Oh my god, what happened? So no problem, I will make the C's. Okay, then this one should be equal. I will just make this one cut, then I will erase this one. Okay, now it's correct. Plus what? Plus 9 divided by 4. Okay, again, Mr. Murad, what happened? Okay, plus 9 over 4. Plus 9 divided by 4. Okay, plus 4 divided by 4, Mollern's, I will write it 16. 16 divided by 4. Okay, you can see both fractions have the same denominator. 9 plus 16 is 25. So this one I will write it again, and then I can now conduct, or let's say conclude the axis of symmetry. Write down the axis of symmetry and write down the vertex. So this one, it will be 25 divided by 4 gives 25 divided by 4. Okay, because I will make the total of the numerators. Okay, now Mollern's, the vertex is very clear. The vertex is, this is a plus, of course. This is should be plus because we make plus. Okay, because this is a plus. Okay, plus, of course, this is a plus. Okay, then now the vertex Mollern's is that, and the vertex is negative 3 over 2 or negative 1.5 as you like, and the vertex, the y value of the vertex is 25 divided by 4 is 6.25. 6.25. Okay, now for the axis of symmetry is equal to negative 1.5 or negative 3 over 2. Okay, now I finished this one. Now I will try to find the roots. The roots, it's very easy. Okay, we told before that delta equal 25. I will use this one. Okay, we use this one because, please, boys. Okay, we continue. Now, okay, to find the roots Mollern's, you should, let's say, solve the quadratic equation. The quadratic equation, before we told that delta equal 25. So I will just write this. I'll just write now the first root. I will write the first root. Okay, we told so I will use this one. I will write here what? Okay, I will write x equal minus b, the formula, plus negative or as okay, no, just plus negative what? The square root of delta, which is equal to b squared minus 4ac divided by what? By 2 times a, by 2a. This is the formula. So x should be equal to, I'll just make a copy. Therefore x is equal to 3 because b is negative 3 plus the square root of 25 is 5. Okay, divide by 2 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 2. Okay, now this is x equal. Now we have to find the first value. So therefore x equal 3 plus 5 is 8 divided by minus 2 is minus 4, or x equal 3 minus 5 minus 2 divided by minus 2 gives equal x1. So we have these two roots. Clear? So the roots, we told the roots here now is what? The roots are 1 and or negative 4. Clear? Negative 4. Okay, now I will draw the curve. Okay, I will go here. Just one moment. I'm looking for. Okay. GeoGebra. This one, GeoGebra. Okay. Hello. So I will open GeoGebra to see how can we draw the graph of okay. Now I will make, this is the curve. I will write, okay, y equal the square root of x. So we told 4 minus 3x minus x multiplied by x. Okay, this is the curve, my learners. This is the curve, should be like that. Clear? Okay, copy. I'll go to paint. Okay, yes, Mr. Matt. Now I will just make paste, then I will cut this for you there. Okay, to understand how can we do this one. Okay. Now I will go to the lecture. Okay, I will just erase this one. Okay, because I will use this one. So this is, my learners, is the what is the curve of my quadratic equation. So this one, -1/2 is the axis of symmetry. Okay, this is the axis of symmetry is -1/2. This is axis of symmetry. Okay. then this is the y-intercept is when x equals 0, y is 4. This is the first root. This is the second root, means the curve will cut the x-axis on these 2 points, the two distant points, because the disc is different to 0. And this one is the vertex. Clear? Okay. For the second part, we have find the coordinates of the point of intersection of x equal -2, y equal 8, and x equal 24. Here, my learners, this is, I will just label this as equation 1 and equation 2. Okay. I will label this as just one. This is equation 1, but I want to, let's say, write x in terms of y. So x is equal to 2y plus 8. 2y plus 8. Clear? Then this is equation number 1. Equation 1. Okay. This is equation number 2. Equation 2. We have xy equal 24. Xy equal 24. Now I want to replace x by or with 2y plus 8 in the first equation. So this one will give us a substitute to replace or put, okay, put x equal 2y plus 8 in what? In equation 2. In equation 2. We will get what exactly? We'll get, my learners, 2y plus 8. Instead of writing x, I will write, then I should open parentheses, okay, close parentheses, multiply by y equal 24. So you can divide from the beginning by 2, okay, or no problem. Okay, because 2 is a common factor, I will just write it. Therefore, I will write y plus 4 multiply by y equal 12. I divide this by all of this, I divided by 2. Okay, all of this is divided by 2. So we'll give what? We'll give y plus 4, y equal 12. Now I will just expand. Y for y is y squared. Okay, I will just use this one. Okay, I will use this one. Okay, and this is okay done for the x and y intercept. It remains the y intercept when x equals 0. The y is 4. Okay, now I'll move to this one. I will make v. Here I will make y squared, because y for y plus 4y minus 12 or equal to 12. Okay, then I want to transfer this 12 there. It will be minus 12. Clear? Minus 12 equal what? Equal 0. Clear? Now just you will try to solve this question, equating coefficient. Now equating the coefficient of the quadratic formula, the quadratic function of the form, what, my learners? Of the form, I will just make this one. Of the form, okay, a y squared plus b plus c. Clear? So it's clear now that a equal 1. So A, therefore so A is equal to 1, B is equal to 4, C is equal to negative 12. Negative 12. Now we will use the discriminant. Okay, the value of the discriminant, I will use this one. Okay, it will be, so I will continue solving. Here it will be 4 squared is 16. I will write 4, okay, no problem. Minus 4 multiplied by 1, multiplied by 1, multiplied by negative 12. Okay, this one equal, learners, 16 plus 16 plus 48 plus 48, which is equal to 64, which is equal 8 squared. So the roots of my quadratic equation are, so the roots of my quadratic equation, the roots are okay, the roots are, I will use this one. So we have x minus LB is what? You can see this is LB is 4, C is minus 12. So just make like that, okay? So it will be minus 4 plus the square root of 64 is 8, huh? Okay. Divided by 2 times 1 is 2. Clear? Now just here the value of y, of course, this is y. Now just we have 2 roots, find them. The first, therefore where is therefore? Yes, therefore y equal minus 4 plus 4 is 4. Okay, minus 4 plus, sorry, minus 4 plus 8. It will be 4. 4 divided by 2 will y equal 2. Or minus 4 minus 8 minus 12 divided by 2 is y equal minus 6. Y equal minus 6. Now just substitution. Go to your equation. Replace الحين y equal 2 in the first equation. Okay, this is my first equation. Copy. In order to solve this one, you will make replace الحين replace y equal 2 in equation 1. This is in equation 1. So x, it will be 2 times 2. It will be 4 plus 8 will be 12. Okay, 12. This is when y equal 2, x is 12. Okay. Okay. I just make like that. Okay, we told that replace y equal 2 in the first equation, in equation number 1, in equation 1. So we'll get x equal 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 is 12 plus 8 is 12. الحين the same for this, replace or put as you like, replace y equal what? Equal negative 6 in equation 1. So 2 times negative 6 is negative 12 plus 4, it will be negative 4. قلنا 2 multiplied by negative 6 negative 12 plus 8 is negative 4. Now this is the roots of my quadratic equation. The equation now try to illustrate this. Okay, illustrate this graphically. I will go to GeoGebra. Okay, then I will erase this one. We have y equal 24 divided by x. Okay, y equal, of course, Mr. Moran, equal, this is, then the first one, I should erase the first one, but no problem, this one, خلاص. Then the next y equal, or x equal, as you like, y equal x divided x divided by 2 minus 4. Okay, this is Mallerner's is, I will minimize this. This is how can you graph your solution. Clear? You should do like that. Okay, I will minimize more like that. Okay, then copy and paste. Okay, now I just take this one, at least this. Okay, then I will paste here to see. I will erase this one now, it's clear, and Control C. You see, we told the image is what? The roots are y equal to x is 12, y equal to x is 12, y equal to x is 12. Clear? Okay. Look, when y equal to, this is the y, when y equal to, this is 2, x is 12, this one is x is 12, this is y equal to. Then, when x equal, when y equal minus 6, x minus 4. When x equal minus 6, the x is minus 6. This is minus 2, minus 4, minus 6. So y is, when x equal minus 6, y is when x equal minus 4, y minus 6. Minus 4, y minus 6. Clear? Now for the next question. Okay, we have find the range of values for k for which y equal k plus k+1 meets y equal x squared at two distinct points. It's very easy. You will make x squared minus kx minus 1. So this one should be meets at two distant roots. So I will make here minus, okay, plus it will be minus, so it will be minus here. So I will use what? B squared minus 4ac. Means, hello, how are you? Means what? Means this one x squared, I will write here, y equal y, means you are going to substitute it, substituting y equal kx minus 1 in equation 2. This is equation number 1, Mallerner's. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. You will substitute y here. So it will be x squared minus kx plus 1 equal what? Equal 0. And then you will use k squared, this two different let's say roots. You make the value of the delta should be different, more than 0, the value of delta. Therefore b squared delta equal k squared. I will write k squared, okay, k squared minus what? K squared minus 4 should be more than 0. Okay, so to solve this inequality, it's very easy. You know that this one is negative between the two roots and positive outside the roots. So therefore, what is therefore? Okay, therefore k is, okay, therefore this is k we told that should be this quadratic inequality should be positive outside the roots and negative inside the roots. Means k is less when the symbols k is more than 1. Okay, than 1, or k what is k is less than -1. Okay, this is the roots. Now for the function, this one, calculate f of 1. It's very easy, my learners. F of 1 first. F of 1 is equal to what? 1 squared is 1, minus 2 multiplied by 1, plus 1. So it will be 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So f of 1 is 0. Now g of, you are going to write f of what? Of 1 equal g of 0, which is equal to, substitution here, it will be 0 to the power 3. It will be 0 to the power 3, 0 to the power 3, 0 to the power 3, which is equal to what? Equal to 0. Okay, so here should be equal to 0. Clear? The next, this is how can we solve it? Okay, k is more and less. Okay. Now the second question, prove that f of x minus 1 is 1 plus the square root of x, or 1 minus the square root of x. It's very easy here. I will just use this one, f of x equal, this one I will write it here down. So this one, my learners, I will suppose that y equal, clear? Then you can see that x squared minus 2x plus 1 in fact is equal to, I will use this one only, okay, equal x minus 1 x minus 1, okay, to the power 2, which is equal to y. Now change in y, change x in y, change x in y, and y in x. So we'll give what? I will use only this one, okay, and this one. Okay, can't color it, no problem. So I will write this again. I will write this, it will be equal. So I told y should be x. Okay. Then this one is y. Now y minus 1 squared equal x. So therefore, okay, or so, no problem. So y minus 1, y, I will take the square root out, okay. So I will make y minus 1 equal plus negative the square root of plus negative the square root of what? Of x. Of what? Of x, of course. Okay. Then you can see this is minus 1. I will transfer there. Clear? So, okay, now I will try to transfer this one. So I will just write here 1. Then I will erase this one. Clear? So this is the f minus 1 as a conclusion. Therefore, copy f minus 1 is equal to 1 plus negative the square root of. Now find the range of, okay, 1 plus x. Okay. So we move to this one to find the range. I will just make copy. I will go to equation. I will go to this one. We want samples. Okay. This one, yes. Okay, I need double. No problem. Okay, Mr. Murad, do this. Okay, it's acceptable. This one. So, I will write x. The domain is x such that, sorry, x such that, okay. Such that, no, not this one. Okay, 2 points. Such that f of x such that x is positive. X is positive, should be positive, more than 0 or equal, no problem, more than or equal to 0 because, okay, where is equal? Yes, then 0, okay? Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, what happened? حول ولا قوة إلا بالله. Copy. Okay. I will close this one. Now move to this one. I will make what is bracket. Yes. Okay. Now my learners to find, this is the domain. This is the domain. This is the domain. Now the range. I'll just make this one. Copy. This is domain. Okay. Now we move to the range. It's very easy. So the range we told x is positive. Now I will make the square root. I will make x. Okay, so it will be y such that x is positive. So I will make, okay, yes, x is positive. Now we move to the next one. I will make the square root of x. Mr. Khalid, please. The square root of x. Then I will add what? I will add 1 plus 1 is more than 1. Okay, so this is the value of y. Okay, so the range is that is more than 1, means y is more or equal to 1. Clear? So thank you for listening. Try to okay. Thank you, my learners. Just I will stop here.